Hi, in this video I will show you how to identify the problem associated with the following noise and how to solve the problem. Listen carefully to see where the noise is coming from. Turn the tires and inspect the suspension system behind the tires. This is how it sounds from inside the car when you move it by hand. In the book for this one, they call it stabilizer links.
Okay. It seems like this little tool bag thing Might be exactly what you need.
You gotta remove this one. Right there. Right there.
You want a low one? Right?
So we have to jack up the car like this. And put that jack there so that to prevent some of the tension there. Otherwise, the tension won't let you pull this out. If you see, this is a new one. It feels there's some resistance there. Like it's like sluggish. You need to. I got the old one. Sluggish on the top part, but on the bottom one, it's loose. That was enough to cause my voice. It just bounces back. This one stays with when you pull it. So it's in position. You tighten the bottom one. Hand tighten it. Hand tighten it. Tighten as much as you can. Alright, let's tighten this. It's gonna be a while. Just tighten both at the same time. You gotta get one of these, otherwise you're gonna mangle that rubber. Voila! That's the new piece right there. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna pick this up. Alright, this is a test.